I am a star. I'm dreaming on a star.
My name is Zimbai Nashe Werekwet. I am 5 years old now. I want to recite my poem about technology. Technology, technology, technology. You have brought us closer, then made us more distant, made us more aware, made us doubtful for ourselves, introduced us to more friends, then invited more enemies, given us more publicity, then exploited us, saved us more time. Now is spent to be more busy. Simplify our task just to make life more difficult. You are entrapping blessing in disguise. Made us feel more secure, yet gave us more tools to break in. You have become a new addiction. Just a second without you, got us in technology withdraw. You are a complication in simplicity. There is so much to love you, but also so much to hate. Can't live with you or without you. Technology, technology, technology. Thank you.